Sure is pretty here, isn't it? Won't you join me today as I head out on a trail in San Diego and see all the cool stuff I see? Come on. San Diego's largest tree. This is a western sycamore. They can get like 100 feet tall. They have these woolly, hairy leaves. They're fuzzy. And then these are the seed pods. Here's a good look at just how big those sycamores can get. And they're gonna get bigger still. Look at this. That is a mistletoe right there. So a parasitic plant that grows on other plants. This is a sycamore. Look at the roots. Absolutely holding together and forming the bank of this creek. A month and a half ago, all this buckwheat was just pure white, and then now they're turning into this rusty red as it gets deeper into the dry season. You can really see the power of water. There's a creek that comes through here. That's where all these big trees are growing. Willows, ashes, cottonwoods, things like that. Sycamores. You ever see these around? And this is invasive fennel. So not only does fennel ruin bagels, but it's also invasive and ruins habitat. Bummer. Here's a decent look at what all the buckwheat looked like about a month ago. Super cool little dudley growing at the base of this shmeese. That's so neat. Look at that. Heck yeah. Beautiful seed heads of a cattail. Those each have like, hundreds of thousands of seeds in them. They're little tiny seeds. They're so cool. Wind dispersed. In a few months, they'll just be fluff floating around in the air from them. Really cool lichen on a rock. Cool rock for that matter. Beautiful native golden bush. Damn, listen to that cicada. Holy shit, that's loud. It's so loud, and that's one insect making that noise. Oh my goodness, that's cool. Here. So I have California fuchsia growing in my yard, but it's a plant I've never seen in habitat in San Diego until. Look at this. These beautiful red little skinny flowers that the hummingbirds love. Look at that. So we're like 5 feet from the creek right there, so pretty awesome. Love to find plants that I planted in my yard out in habitat. I actually don't know what these little guys are. Does anyone know? Help me out. These little yellow friends. Beautiful. Look at these rocks that toppled over and folded in. That's so neat. Here's another coyote poop with a bunch of seeds in it. This one seems like had some urgency to it because look at it's just in the middle of this huge rock. You imagine this coyote copping a squat right there. It just feels like it maybe was a little urgent. Homie had to go. Standing up here, you can really see where the water is. Look, just follow the trees, follow the green. There it goes. There's where the water is. Everywhere else looking a little brown. Struggling through the heat and dry as summer. There's a good look at it.